Bircher muesli, it's one of those fantastic breakfasts that you can do the night before. And all you need to do when you wake up is enjoy it. I'm changing it up and I'm going to be using golden kiwi fruits. They're juicy, they are sweet, they're full of vitamin C, and this is a fantastic, healthy breakfast to really enjoy them and also include them in your diet. So what I'm doing is just top and tailing them, and I'm just taking the skin off. You can see the skin is so paper thin. In fact, I know some people that after giving them a wash, eat it straight away. There's nothing wrong with eating kiwi fruit skin, but I'm going to take it off for my Bircher muesli. So I've just grated 2 of the golden kiwi fruit, so we need about 3 kiwis for this. Look how much juice we're getting out of them, and this is a fantastic base to absorb all of the beautiful oats. So we'll just grate that in. It doesn't matter if some bits are chunky, in fact it's actually better. And I'm going to combine this kiwi fruit juice and oats. So these are instant oats. We'll pour this in. And we're going to add some extra flavours. So a pinch of cinnamon. I always associate with delicious mueslis like this for breakfast. And some chia seeds. Just some white ones. For some sweetness, some honey. I don't add any other sugar to this, just a splash of honey to accentuate the sweetness of the golden kiwi fruit. We'll give that a mix, and to this you can add any type of nut milk or cow's milk of your choice. I'm going to stick with the oat theme and use oat milk. All of that milk gets absorbed by the oats and the chia seeds, giving us almost like a pudding-like consistency. It's going to be so delicious. So I've got 4 little glasses here. You can put it in whatever you like, and we're going to fill them up about 3/4 of the way up. They go into the fridge, and you want to leave them for a good couple of hours, or even better, overnight. Okay, our birches are looking good. You can see how they've thickened up and they've swelled quite significantly, so they're nice and set. I'll place this on this cute little plate, and to garnish this, I want this to kind of look like a trifle, and we can do that by adding some yogurt to the top of it. So Greek-style yogurt. I'll grab a spoon. We just need a few spoonfuls into a bowl. And you can have it as is, or if you just want to give it a little extra sweetness, I do have some leftover honey, so a drizzle of honey. Nothing better than making your own flavoured yogurt. So honey yogurt, mix that up, and then we'll just very gently let that sit on the top there. So a few spoonfuls covering the top. And you don't want to add the yogurt till just the end when you're about to serve it. Cute. To finish this off, well, I've got a few extra golden kiwis, so we're going to add a little more to the top. So we're just going to cut around again. Just let the knife slide down the kiwi fruit. And then this we can just cut into chunks. Pop that on the top, just in the centre. And I love crunch for this, so I'm going to add a few nuts, just some mixed nuts here. We'll roughly chop that. Got a combination of walnuts, macadamia, hazelnuts, the whole lot. The more the merrier. Sprinkle that on the top. And I thought it was quite cute just to emulate the little seeds in the kiwi fruit, some black sesame seeds over the top. It's not done yet. This is one serious bircher, a little mint, just a small sprig of mint on the top. Ooh, that looks so good. A delicious breakfast, and the best thing about it is get it done on a Sunday night, make a big batch of it, and it'll last for a good few days in the fridge.